Welcome! In front of me I have VERNEE M5 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, let's open the Chrome browser. And now to take a screenshot, simply press and hold the power button and volume down button together. You will hear the sound and see this animation on the screen. You will also get the notification that the screenshot was captured. And here you can share it or delete it. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.